The helicopter cube is a non-wca puzzle produced by LanLan and is the 2x2 version of the Curvy Copter. It costs $9 on CubesEZ, about £6.5. In this video, I will give my thoughts on this cube and discuss whether you should get it. The turning of this cube is similar to most LanLan puzzles, not that good. However, this is definitely not the kind of cube you would speed solve, and the turning is good enough that the fact that you are turning slowly means it actually feels like it turns very well. Basically, the turning is good enough for the purpose of the cube, so unless you want to speed solve the helicopter cube for some reason, you will find the turning pretty good. The cube is also very slightly bigger than a normal 3x3, which I really like. It was definitely a good decision to make the cube a bit bigger. This cube can be scrambled and solved in more than one way. The easiest way is to just do the full 180-degree turns to scramble it, and only use those to solve it. This way of solving is one of those solves where you just put the pieces in place one by one, using simple sets of moves. The other ways of scrambling this cube involve jumbling it, the other type of move this cube can do. You either just do the swapping moves, or you can shapeshift it. Either way, it adds a layer of complexity, but the normal turning part of the solve is similar to the non-jumbling version of the solve. Both the jumbling and non-jumbling solves are quite long for a non-wca puzzle, taking about 3 minutes for the non-jumbling solve and slightly longer for the jumbling solves. However you scramble the cube, the solves will be very unique, and will be a not too challenging, but also not too tedious longer solve. So, is this cube worth getting? For a lot of people, yes. For only £7, this cube gives you a very unique and interesting solve, as very few puzzles are edge-turning. I think that this cube is really good for all types of people, as you can just do the normal turning if you want a simpler solve, and you can jumble it if you want more of a challenge. Overall, I would recommend this cube for basically everyone. If you are looking for a unique, non-wca puzzle that is a bit more challenging than others in its price range, this is the one to go for.